Hello, guys. Welcome back to our series. Today, we're officially going to be adding your team or staff members. So, let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to the search bar and type in staff. Select staff from the dropdown. And over here, you'll see that you'll automatically be staff number 1. To add a new staff, click on Add Staff. Input your staff's full name over here. Also include a short description or their position, for example. Next, add their email as well as their phone number. Make sure to also include their profile photo. Double check to see if everything's correct. Once you're done, move on to the working hours section. This is where you can set their days off as well as their working days and working hours. So you'll see all the days of the week over here. There will be a default time. There will be a default time set up, but if you wish to edit it, simply click on the edit button that corresponds to the day you're working on. Click Save and Continue, and click on Continue. This window will open. When do you want to apply these changes? You can select now, but it depends on you. Next, select the repeats, so you have weekly, every 2 weeks, etc. Mine would be weekly. Select the day you want to work on, for example, Monday. Indicate the start time and the end time. If you have several locations, make sure to indicate that here, and then click on Save. You can do the same for all the other days of the week until you finish everything. Double check, and if everything's okay, click on Save to save your changes. Simply repeat the process for all of your other staff members. And that's it. That's how you add a staff member to your Wix site. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit like and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.